In this video, we will create an assembly 3D modeling using PTC Cryo Parametric Education Edition. Let's start with a new and select the assembly and give the name sleeve cutter joint assembly. Okay. And instead of using default template, let's select an metric template. Okay. Now to start assembling, let's hide this plane to disturb. Assemble first the sleeve. Okay, the sleeve that we have created. Now everything looks fine. So the first element you can fix it so that it will be fully constrained. All the degrees of freedom of this sleeve component is completely constrained. That means the rotational and translational degrees of freedom is fixed. And then we have to assemble a rod. You make this datum plane, front datum plane of rod to the top right datum plane of the sleeve to coincident. Then you choose this top plane of the rod and right plane of top plane of the sleeve to coincident. The last constraint, to fully make it constrained, select these two planes and give the distance to align with our modeling requirement to 100. Now click OK. You can zoom and see that it is aligned everything perfectly. Now we have to assemble another rod. Assemble rod, select again okay, both should coincident. This next thing is make this also to coincident with the sleeve datum plane. Now flip it so that it should point otherwise around. Now give distance between this plane and this plane to 90. This is our design requirement. It's okay. Now the last component, Cotter. Again you try to coincident with the planes of the sleeve so that it will become coincident, and then top plane of this to the top plane of that at a distance of 50 mm so that the Cotter pin is symmetrically placed. If it goes up, go minus. Then distance between this Cotter pin plane to the sleeve plane is 160, 130 mm, right? 130 mm. Now okay. The another Cotter pin has to be assembled as final assembly done. select this plane to the sleeves plane, make it coincident, then distance between this plane and sleeves plane should be 50 mm. Then distance between this and that is just 30 mm. This numbers you should take from the design requirement. That's the assembly design.